Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A17 and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, let's open the keyboard, for example in Messages, in Notes, in the browser, wherever you want to. Just have the keyboard on the screen like that. And then let's enter the settings. Now we have to tap on the languages at the top, and here we've got the list of the languages which are currently applied to our keyboard. So let's add new one, tap on Add Keyboard, and here we've been transferred to the full list of all available keyboards languages from which we can choose. So as you can see, this list is so wide and impressive, and I'm pretty sure that you will find the language you'd like to use here. So basically, after finding it, just tap on it. And depending on the language, you will sometimes be able to pick the region. So just tap on the one you'd like to use. And again, depending on the language, you will be able to pick the keyboard type. So as you can see, in my case, in Urdu, we've got 3 different ones from which we can choose. You can of course pick all of them or only one, and of course we've got 3 different options in Urdu, but in other languages sometimes you will be able to pick up to 5 keyboard modes, keyboard options. I'd like to pick this one, so let me tick it and untick this first option and let me tap on Done. As you can see, the Urdu language has been applied, so now we can go back to the keyboard and check. And here we have actually 2 differences. Only one right now is visible. The other one will be available in a moment. You'll see. So the first difference is the language key, which appeared after adding the language, and it will simply allow us to change it. So after tapping on it, we can change the keyboard to the Urdu one. And as you can see right now, we can see the second difference. So the spacebar, it's not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we are currently using. So after tapping on the globe icon, you can see that right now it is English here. So basically this is how to add the language to the keyboard. And now let me show you how to remove it, because sometimes you don't want to have 2 or 3 different languages added. You just want to have one which is different than a system language. So let's enter the settings again, tap on the languages, and here from this step we have to tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. Now we can mark the language we would like to remove, and in my case it will be Urdu. And now simply tap on the trash bin icon. As you can see, we've got only English left, and after getting back to the keyboard, you can see that first of all we do not have the language key, and the spacebar is empty, which means that we can only type in this one language. So basically that's all. This is how to change keyboard language in your OPPO A17. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.